guys, this is Canopy Coaster. I'm here in New Mexico Rattler Cliffs Amusement Park. Probably the most notable wood coaster in the U.S. I've yet to ride, so really look forward to trying this. First time up front. The coaster looks like it goes around the whole park, so I'm really intrigued to see just how good this ride is. I've heard very good things from a few people who have ridden it, so we'll see how much I like it. Here we go. Really good ride. Yeah, that ride had a ton of laterals left and right. So if you love laterals, definitely come try this ride out. I know it's not the easiest location for coaster enthusiasts, but